Hey, Mark the Meerkat Suffering here, and welcome to summer. It's officially here, our first full week of summer. Well, I'm from the free online trading education site, and GrokStar Room is where we have our trades. So, I'll show you one of the trades this morning from the GrokStar Room. And today's lesson, by the way, is going to be on having a valid trading system. So here we have a Lulu, L-U-L-U was our stock this morning, and it was going back and forth here, and forming what we call a symmetrical triangle, and the markets were bearish at the time. So I'm going to take a look. If you want to know more about it, here, just go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com and then go to the right up here on symmetrical triangle. It's either a breakdown or one to the breakout. There's a description of it, and here's a picture of it where it goes back and forth, and it's tight thing. It's kind of like a coiled spring getting tighter and tighter and tighter, and then it's either going to go boom or it's going to go bam. Was looking a little more bearish than bullish in this formation here, just because the markets were also dropping. And so we went ahead and set an order right down here if it were to break down, and let's see what happened next. And bam, there it goes. And now I am short Lulu at $41.40. Now let's get our stop set here, right here above this resistance line, which was support. It could now be resistance. And see, oh man, look at this. It's just low basing here. Hey, when it breaks out, it's supposed to do that. Well, it's going to do what it's going to do. Just the odds are in our favor when it breaks down. It'll continue to go. And there it goes. Finally, it's breaking down from that low base. So now I'm going to take my stop and move it down here, just above there to the 41.45 area. Nicely. And now it's moving down nicely here. I like that. Now I'm moving my stop down here. I'm now in the money, the risk-free trade. Ooh, doggies, guaranteed winning trade. Love it when that happens. So I'm in here about 11.25. We're down here at 11.10 area. And it's starting to come back up here. What's it going to do? What's it going to do? Oh, it's starting to look like it might have found a bottom down here, just about at the $41 mark. So I'm pulling my stop here just above this 20 moving average right here. And bam, okay, we're getting ready to go. Well, we started to go to a low a day, and then kaboom! Look at that sucker pop up there, over 0.5%. Tough to trade that one, and it stopped me out right there. Do you see it? Yeah, it stopped me out right here at $41.23 for a total of 0.4% in 22 minutes. Well, that's not a bad trade, but, you know, what can you do? It breaks down here to a new low and then just explodes up. Oh, well. So this is Mark the Meerkat Suffering. Here's my lesson for the day. I know a winning trade is likely to follow a series of expense trades if I have a valid trading system. Today, in the GrokStar Room, we were one of 7 of our first 7 called trades in the room. Now, I held them down to less than 0.5% for most of them. But then, out of the next 8 called trades, we were 7 out of 8. So it does turn around, and just keep trading your trading system and keeping it on spot. So for the day, we were 8 of 15 trades for about a 53% success rate, and we turned out just above break even, so we did have an income day. Now this is Mark the Meerkat Suffering. Trade well.